Welcome to Seljalandsfoss, one of the Iceland's most iconic waterfalls located along the picturesque south coast. In this video, we invite you to explore the mesmerizing beauty of Seljalandsfoss and discover everything you need to know before your visit. One of the unique features of Seljalandsfoss is the opportunity to walk behind the cascading water. Please note that this can only be done during the summer months as it becomes too slippery and dangerous in winter. However, on our visit in January 18, 2024, the whole area was transformed into a winter wonderland blanketed with white snow.
Hi lang.
Hi. We're in Iceland today.
Yeah, me too.
It's very cold though. It's negative 13. So if you go in January, you need to make sure that you've got all these clothes. It's very cold. It's negative 13 today.
I wrap up. It's cold. I'm not used to it.
And even without the path behind the falls, we could still admire its grandeur, capturing stunning photographs and creating everlasting memory. By renting a car, you have the freedom to explore the incredible beauty of Iceland at your own pace. Make the best choice and embark on an unforgettable journey to wherever you desire. Don't miss out on the opportunity to see Seljalandsfoss and the wonders that awaits you along the ring road in Iceland's captivating south. As you approach the falls, you'll find a convenient car park with a ticket machine for your parking needs. Don't forget that. Keep in mind that Seljalandsfoss tends to be busier in the morning, so plan your visit accordingly. Car park is available for around just 800 Icelandic kronen. Now, before embarking on your adventure, take note of the time of year you'll be visiting Iceland. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable, but by dressing appropriately, you can ensure a comfortable experience. Layers, waterproof clothing, and sturdy footwear are highly recommended, especially during the colder months. Please protect your electronic device from the gentle spray of the waterfall. Invest in a reliable waterproof case to capture stunning moments without worrying about potential water damage. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the charms of Iceland with a visit to the souvenir shop. Take home a piece of this magical place, whether it's an intricately crafted trinket or a beautiful memento. The shop promises to offer a wide selection of unique treasures to choose from. Take a moment to relax and refuel at the on-site cafe, where you can savor a variety of delicious treats, from refreshing beverages to traditional Icelandic delicacies. The cafe provides a perfect spot to recharge while taking in the breathtaking views. There is also a clean and well-maintained toilet, ensuring your visit remains enjoyable from start to finish. Seljalandsfoss Waterfall is about 2 hours drive from Reykjavik, and you can see the waterfall from the road. The waterfall is available to visitors in both summer and winter. Take note, there are no entrance fees to Seljalandsfoss,